Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Phantom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go here above your name, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go here above this sign, click on it. So next it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on preferences. Just click on it. You click here on preferred Bitcoin address. So then you come here to this list. It's going to show for you here in this list here. So then you come here to native Segwit, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean here it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,